How to customize your app icons in an Android. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and also click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our Android phone. Let us go to our Play Store and we will use an app. So there are two Nova launchers here. One is Prime and one is not. So the one that is not Prime, because it is free, and Prime is paid. So let us open it. Once here in a Nova launcher, we have here the options or the settings for your phone, which can change also the settings of your phone for your Android. For example, here the theme, we can have the light theme or the dark theme for the Nova and for our Android phone. And then here in the icon section, we can change the shapes of the icon, such as diamond or flower, round and square and rectangle. You can also change the icon size. So I'll be keeping it like that. And then, so you can also change the settings here for your icons. And that's pretty much it. You can also go back to your home here and see that the icons have changed in shape. So I hope this helped for you. Please like and subscribe and comment, and see you on the next video.